In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix it if Snapchat's public profile option isn't showing. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point you do have any questions, make sure to ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But the first thing that you are going to want to do is actually open up Snapchat and tap on your profile icon up in the top left corner to bring up your profile page, and then select the gear icon to go into your settings. Go ahead and scroll down on this page until you see the option for See Me and Find Friends. Go ahead and select it and make sure this option is turned on. Your account is going to need to be visible for a public profile. Now from here, back out and go back to your public profile, because sometimes you need to scroll all the way down to the very bottom of this page in order to see an option to create public profile. If it's still not there, check a few requirements. You do need to be 16 years old. Public profiles aren't available in all regions, and if you violated any community guidelines in the past, you may not be eligible. Also, I would recommend making sure your birthday is set correctly under settings and birthday to show that you are over 16. Once those are all fixed, the public profile option should now appear down at the bottom of this page. But yeah, I hope this guide does help you out. If it did, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.